Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan Ruiz and this is my kitchen. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit share, like, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Today we're going to do Hawaiian-style meatloaf. Let's get to it.
Let's go ahead and chop our veggies. We're going to start off with our green peppers. I like to take the seeds out. And then let's go ahead and chop. And moving on to our white onion. Nice and finely diced. And then for a little kick, we're going to go ahead and add a jalapeno. It will burn later. And then some white mushrooms as well. And then ham. Don't forget the ham. Make it into nice little cubes, like so. Mixing time. We're gonna go ahead for the seasoning. Need garlic powder, black pepper, red pepper flakes for a little bit of spice. I'm also gonna add a little bit of sazon for the color. It's my Spanish side, why not? We're also gonna add breadcrumbs. This helps bring everything together. Let's go ahead and put our veggies that we chopped earlier, our ham, and we're gonna need 3 eggs for the binding. And we're gonna go ahead and use our hands to mix everything together and incorporate everything together, like so. All right, moving on, molding time. This is when your inner Patrick Swayze from the movie Ghost comes out and you shape that meatloaf into a log. There it is, bow. And you place it in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes at 365 and bake. All right, let's go ahead and make our sauce. This one's gonna be simple but tasty. We're gonna need some brown sugar. We're also gonna need some apple cider vinegar. Let's go ahead and squeeze our ketchup. And we're also gonna need some mustard. And that's about it. And then you mix well together. Simple but tasty. There it is. Oh. That is so satisfying. Go ahead and drizzle that sauce. Drizzle, drizzle. Beautiful.
And there you have it, folks. Hawaiian-style meatloaf. Let's give it a shot. See you on the next one.
Hey, if you love my content and you also want to support the channel but you want something in return, I'm going to leave links below to my Amazon merch store, and you can browse as far as merchandise. If you see something you like, feel free to get it, or for one of your loved ones. Thank you for supporting the channel. See you on the next one.